Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know or show you the procedure to unbackup Google Photos. So to unbackup or turn off your backup on Google Photos, you need to follow this simple method. So first thing, make sure that your application is completely up to date and that you're logged in and that you're connected to an internet service. Now to do it so, you have to go ahead and open up your Google Photos. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page or the page where you could see all the photos and all that. After which, what you want to do is tap on the profile or the initials from the top right, and you could see a drop down menu. So then you could see right in between there's this backup is off. So currently I've turned off my backup. So if you want to turn it off, just toggle the button right over here, and then you'll be able to turn off or unbackup your Google Photos. Now which means that none of the photos will be backed up or saved. So that's the way you could go ahead and do it. So, and if you change your mind and want to turn on the backup, just toggle the button and you'll have successfully done it. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.